This is a just fit puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. The just fit puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all pieces into the tray. But as you can see, all the parts, they have a different shape. From the top layer, they looks like absolutely the same parts, but when you flip them, you will see that each piece has a unique shape and they are cut in unique way. And then you will discover that there is a second layer of parts which is also cut in a different way, and you have to remove all these parts as well, then mix them and then try to assemble everything back together, which will be really difficult. If you like the Just Fit puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. I remove the part in a certain way so that I don't mix them, since I'm afraid that if I mix them, I won't be able to remember exact position of each part. So I will be just showing you where each piece is supposed to go, and you just have to follow what I'm doing. So take a look at this piece. It goes in a top right corner in the bottom layer. Then there is a piece like this. It has two exactly the same parts. It goes next to it like that. Then there is a piece that has also two exactly the same parts glued together. They go inside of the tray in the same row like that. And then there is a fourth piece in this row, and you put it in this corner. But then the next row, it goes not in a vertical way, but in horizontal. And that's kind of a trick of this puzzle, since you will be putting all the parts in one way, but then there are some of them that are flipped. Like this piece goes next right here. Below it will be this part, as you can see. And then we have only two parts left in the bottom layer. I'll try to remove them, which is quite difficult. So one piece looks like that, and the other piece looks like that. And this one goes to the corner. And as you can see, when you put all parts inside of the frame, you will have this checkerboard scheme. So make sure that it looks like that. If you have two dark color pieces next to each other or two white pieces next to each other, that means that you made a mistake somewhere and you have to start again. So the next piece will be in a top row, in a top layer, in this bottom left corner. It looks like that, and it fits here. Actually, the second layer will be a little bit easier, since if you put the first layer in a correct way, since now you have just to match the cutouts of the pieces. So here is the second piece in this row, and it goes right here. Then there is a piece that is made from two exactly the same parts, and you put it like that. Don't flip it, don't put it like that, since there will be two dark color pieces next to each other, so that will be wrong, even though it doesn't really make any difference if you put it like that or like that, but the final scheme will be different, so it won't look as good. So the next piece will be this one, and it goes like that. Actually, there is another very similar piece in the bottom row, and you can put it on top of it, but then you won't be able to fill this gap. So this part goes right in here. There is this piece, and it will go right here. We have only three parts left. I will start the one that will go in the middle. It looks like that. And then there is a piece with two exactly the same parts glued together. And the last one, it goes right in here. And I think that you already see that I made a mistake somewhere. And this piece, even though it has absolutely symmetrical shape, but it doesn't look good when you put it in a wrong way. And that's how you solve the Just Fit puzzle. Extremely difficult puzzle. Will be difficult to find solution by yourself. So probably there is a chance that a lot of people want to watch this video for a hint. If you like the Just Fit puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, go to puzzlemaster.ca.